Alright, watch this closely, because this is where so many people slip up. Most people see this expression and instantly go, easy. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 3 times 6 is 18. And 18 divided by 18 is 1. Oh no, that looks smooth, but it's completely wrong, because the order of operations just got destroyed. So let me show you the correct path, and the little twist that changes everything. We follow PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. And remember, multiplication and division share the same level, so we always move left to right. Now, in this expression we have 1 division, 1 multiplication, and 1 set of parentheses. Inside that parenthesis, a simple addition. And yes, that number right next to the parentheses means multiplication, even without the word times. Classic math shortcut. So step 1, handle the parentheses. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now the expression transforms into 18 divided by 3 times 6. Here comes the twist. Some people jump to multiplication first, but PEMDAS doesn't say multiply before divide. It says left to right. So we start with the division. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Then we multiply. 6 times 6 equals 36. And boom, the real answer isn't 1, it's 36. Before you go, tell me in the comments, did you fall for the first answer? And if you want more math tricks that actually make sense, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.